ya Bungoma kurea wagi na unyihu wa njanjo cia ciana no ũrathi na mbere kuonekana mathibitari-inĩ ma mũingĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Bungoma. Aikari a marakaya nĩ gũkorwo rĩu marathie thibitari-inĩ cia andũ kĩũmbe nĩguo ciana ciao iheo njanjo na famĩlĩ iria hinyĩrĩrĩku kĩmũhuko irateta nĩ kwaga mbeca cia kũrĩha njanjo ici amu imwe nĩ cia thogora wa igũrũ.
The problem we are having with the vaccines is that when we want to opt for the government, especially for the parents who don't have like covers or that financial capability to visit the private institution, when we go to public hospital for the vaccination, we are not able to get all the services that are needed. Sometimes you are able to get half of the vaccines, like KP. Those normal injections are there, but these other things like rota or any additional services like that influenza is not readily available there. And we pray that you look in the public sectors. Let's also have those vaccinations that are needed on time, so that our children can acquire the best